Hi, collective. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what the energy is between you and the person on your mind. What is going on? Okay. And we have the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. We have the Queen of Cups in upright. Okay. We have the Ace of Swords. This person is about to confess something. Yeah, this person is about to confess how much they miss you. Someone is in this very reminiscing energy. This person wants to come forward and tell you that you're the Empress. You know what I'm picking up on? Like someone who was a failure in this relationship. When I say a failure in this relationship, what I'm picking up on is someone who was just not sure about the connection, but they were taking it for granted. They didn't see your value, and now they know that it is high time that they have to express themselves. Like you're slipping away from their hands, and they're on the verge of like revealing their innermost thoughts. And it is a very intimate experience for this person because this person has rarely done that. I'm picking up on someone who's just very, this person is very attractive. They have a very magnetic energy. So a lot of people, their previous partners who were attracted to them previously, they didn't require them to be in a vulnerable space. This person could give bare minimum in the relationships, and the partner would be okay with it, but not you. You're coming up as a Queen of Cups. Like you have shown nothing but love to this person. You have been very kind and compassionate. You have always understood this person's side. And I think for a lot of y'all, you have helped this person understand their inner child wounds, specifically their mother wounds. Like you have exposed this person's parts of themselves which they need to heal, the things that they need to act on. And that is something which is very empowering for this person because they feel that you know them on a level which is unbelievable for them. For a lot of y'all, I'm picking up on this energy that this person is not a firm believer of soul contracts. Like this is something which, yeah, they understand the idea of it, but they never experienced it. This person is a very 3D person. Like this person likes to live in the present, and they are like go with the flow type of an individual. I'm picking up on strong Sagittarius placements and strong Gemini and Virgo placements. But now this person is understanding that, there are certain connections in life which just happen once. Like there's a lot of realization I'm picking up on. This person is in this energy where they are on the verge of just like texting you and telling you the truth. But they are waiting for something to change. They are waiting for something to happen and go in their way. I think for a lot of y'all, this person is waiting for something to change financially for them. They're waiting for something to go their way financially. Like this person is not in a space where they can give you the time, energy, and effort that you require in this relationship and you deserve in this relationship. It's like a tease, like this person knows that if they are in a relationship with you, they would love to spend more time with you, and that would indirectly impact their career and their work, which is kind of like a problem here. I'm picking up on this energy that they know your value, but sometimes they feel that you and them do not match because they don't deserve a person like you, and that is directly a reflection of their childhood wounds and how they think of themselves. This person is in this energy where they might be, looking at your pictures and realizing that you were always a very present individual. Like you are someone who tries to be in the moment for the moment. Like you're not someone whose mind is very occupied. Like you are not someone who's preoccupied by other things. When you're present around them, you try to be in that moment completely and fully, which is a very rare quality, and they love that about you because it makes them feel seen. You make them feel as if they matter, and it's not words of affirmations, or like it's not acts of love, but it's just your presence and energy. Like you're just fully there, and that is something that they love about you. They absolutely love about you. Tell me this person's future actions, please. We have the Eight of Cups in reverse. This person is going to try to do things differently this time. And at the same time, we have the Three of Cups. I was picking up on this energy previously as well. I think, this person has a addiction to a certain type of lifestyle. And this could be drinking, or this could be like going out casually dating. But like, this can also be the case that, this person is just not used to intense relationships, and they were just not ready for something which feels so real. Like they wanted it, they tried to manifest it, they thought about it, but when it actually happened, they kind of like freaked out. They didn't understand why this is happening. This person was very, like, this person was very perplexed. Yeah, this person was just like stunned by the fact that, something can feel so peaceful, and like every aspect of the connection can be great. Like you can have amazing intellectual conversations with a person, and then you're attracted to them as well. Your hobbies match, but at the same time, you have different interests as well. So this person couldn't really handle the fact that a connection can be so vividly interesting, you know yeah, it's like you don't have to settle for anything. It's like you get a connection that you always desired for in one person. So this person was very stunned by it. I'm picking up on someone's energy who was in a space where they have they have habits of self-sabotaging things which are peaceful, you know how do I explain this? Okay, so this person has a tendency to sabotage things for themselves which will be of great benefit for them in the future. And that is something they didn't realize for a very long time. That is something which they realized after a separation, or after a misunderstanding with you. Like they understood that, okay, maybe I did sabotage the situation because I have a tendency to do so, and their mind like kind of backtracked, and they understood that, okay, there are a lot of things that make sense in my life now. This person is thanking you. This person is just in this headspace where they want to thank you. This person does think you're very attractive. Don't get me wrong, like, but there are certain qualities about you which are irreplaceable. Like this person feels the presence, like how you are present in the present situation. That is something which is they have never seen in a person before. You're very lively, you're very calm, but at the same time, you partake in situations which don't even feel interesting to you, but you try to find peace in it. You try to have fun in it. And that is a very amazing quality. This person thinks that you are someone who likes to be authentic. You like to stick to the truth. You like to stay as down to earth and grounded as you can. But at the same time, you have good goals, ambitious goals for yourself, but they don't cloud your judgment. This person values your clarity a lot. This person is going to come back in your life, and you can expect a long confession from this person. Yes, this person is going to confess how much you have impacted them. And I think this person is also going to thank you a lot because you have changed their life for better. And you have also helped this person realize their childhood wounds, and you have helped them heal those childhood wounds. Like this person is going to be very thankful to you, and you can also expect a very kind hearted message from this person, or maybe they will do something romantic for you. It will depend on how far apart do you live from each other. That's all I have for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what your situation is in the comments down below. Bye bye. See you in the next reading.